Hey, Tacoma, this is Bishop Dr. Lawrence White, president of Equitas. Listen, I'm excited to come before you today to remind you that Juneteenth is right around the corner. I want to say thank you to J.D. Davis, to all the vendors and community partners who have just seen this event grow and grow. This year is going to be better than ever. I want to say that now is the time. When we talk about the road to economic freedom, now is the time for us to make sure that we have strategies and visions around what that looks like. This year, we're bringing in a special guest that will help us to consider what that vision and strategy should be. This year's event is going to be a ticketed event. Some of you may ask the question, why a ticketed event? Now is the time for us to invest in the vision. So again, I want to invite you out June 19th, 8 a.m. I'm here at the LeMay Car Museum, where we will be in the banquet room for our breakfast. Come out, be a part of this event, and let's have a great time in the Lord. God bless you all.